guys, it's Ariel here from Fix My Books, and today we are going to be talking about where to mail in your corporate tax return or your T2 return. So this would depend where you're located. So for Toronto, send it here to the Sudbury Tax Center. For Alberta, Manitoba, Northwest Territories, London, Saskatoon, Thunder Bay, and Windsor, send it here to the Winnipeg Tax Center. And then for all these other places, send them to the Prince Edward Island Tax Center. So again, it will depend where your corporation address is. So just follow this, and I will also link this down below so you guys won't get confused. But they have they have guidance as well regarding your postcode, where you should send your tax return based on your postcode. And this is not your personal postcode, but the postcode of your corporation with the CRA, where your corporation's address is. So you can see here for non-resident corporations, it also goes to the Sudbury Tax Center. Again, it will be linked down below so you guys can get to this page as well. Thank you. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Ariel from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.